In order for scientists to study harmful algal blooms, they need to collect water samples for analysis. Researchers consistently sample water in all parts of the world to keep tabs on HABs, since the ecology of a body of water constantly changes. From a collected sample, HAB species can be isolated and cultured for toxin analysis. It's also important to identify which species are present in the water in conjunction with certain oceanographic conditions. This helps scientists to predict when a species of harmful algae will flourish and create a large bloom capable of harmful effects. Let's take a look at some of the tools and techniques scientists use for sampling. The most straightforward way to sample is to collect a whole water sample. This can be taken from a dock or while on a boat of either the surface of the water or somewhere deeper in the water column. Whole water samples are usually collected using Niskin bottles and then transferred into smaller jars for later analysis. Surface water can be collected directly into a container. Net tow samples are taken just below the water surface from a dock or a boat. By letting the net drag through the water, the phytoplankton are captured and concentrated into the net's cod end. This way, scientists end up with a sample of phytoplankton from many gallons of water, all condensed into a small jar. Researchers aren't the only ones who can collect water samples for analysis. Programs like Sound Toxins train citizen scientists to sample the water and help keep tabs on HABs through identification of the phytoplankton community in a given sample. Students and science enthusiasts contact your local marine science centers to find out how to become a citizen scientist and ask about any HAB-specific programs. We're not quite finished yet. What do scientists do with these water samples once they are collected? They need to be analyzed, of course. Harmful algal bloom researchers are interested in identifying the phytoplankton community in the water, so one of the first steps for them is to observe the sample under a microscope and see what's there, and particularly look for any harmful phytoplankton species. Our next video in this three-part series will demonstrate how scientists use microscopes to quantify and qualify phytoplankton in a water sample.